He always have problem when to communicate with people. That's why she don't play with other kids. She was diagnosed at the age of 3. At the age of 3. Now it's going to 5 years. It's very difficult because he can't, when he's in school, he have a lot of problem. Sometimes they will say that he can't come to school, should stay at home because of he don't behave like the normal children in the school. Yeah, because I was surprised because my daughter behaved very fine and he flow with it along. I was surprised. It's not the way I was thinking. That was not what I expect. I think everything was so smooth and fine. The changes I'm expecting is that I want my daughter to be talking, because that is the major problem. And scream. He always screamed a lot. So that all those screaming should stop and he should be talking very like a mate. He will be behaving like a mate. Yeah. So I was very smooth. We are waiting for a good result, but everything was fine.
Good afternoon. Would you please tell us where you're coming from and why you are here in Swiss Medica?
I'm here because of my daughter. I came from Germany, because we find this on internet. That's why my daughter that have autism. That's why we decided to bring her to Serbia for Swiss Medica.
In which way do you think autism makes your daughter's life challenging?
It's very difficult because he can't, when he's in school, he have a lot of problem. Sometimes they will say that he can't come to school, should stay at home because of he don't behave like the normal children in this school.
Tell me, does she go to a normal school or she's got a school for kids with special needs?
He go to normal school for now, but because we are trying to find a special school for her, but she's still on a waiting list for the special school, but she go to normal school. Yeah.
How did you find out about stem cell therapy for autistic kids?
It was my wife that found out about the stem cell therapy, because there was a lot of testimony going on. We do research about it. That's why we decided to contact the Swiss therapy.
And now you are on one testimonial, yeah?
Yeah.
Now you're on one of them.
Yeah.
Okay, so was the process of applying difficult or it was smooth and easy?
Yeah, it was smooth. It was very smooth. It was very smooth. We are waiting for a good result, but everything was fine.
Which result would you be happy with after this treatment? What do you want? What kind of changes do you want to see in your daughter?
Yeah, the changes I'm expecting is that I want my daughter to be talking, because that is the major problem. And scream. He always screamed a lot. So that all those screaming should stop and he should be talking very like a mate. He will be behaving like a mate. Yeah.
Is there any piece of advice you can give to other parents before coming to Serbia? Because maybe you yourself had some fears. How you overcame those fears? And what can you, a couple of words about Serbia. How do you feel here?
Me, I don't really know much about Serbia, because it was because of the testimony I've been receiving. I saw there, I go on YouTube and Facebook, I do a lot of research about it. Because of the testimony I saw there, that's why I decided, I was convinced to come here, to come to Serbia, yeah.
Have you considered any other clinics?
No, I've not considered any. No.
So straight away us, yeah?
Yeah.
When was your daughter diagnosed with autism? How many years ago with autism? And have you tried any kinds of therapies after that?
No, I've not tried any therapy. This is my first therapy I'm trying right now. It was diagnosed 2 years ago. That was 2023. It was diagnosed. Then we started finding the process of this, because of in the country I came from, they just said that she's on waiting list, and I can't stay, I can't wait for long. That's why I decided to come to Swiss therapy.
How old is she now, and how old was she when she was diagnosed?
She was diagnosed at the age of 4, no, 3. At the age of 3. Now it's going to 5 years. Yeah, it was diagnosed. Let me say it was 2023. Yeah, it's going to 5 years right now.
How does she cooperate with her siblings, brothers and sisters? Does she play with them and other friends, if other kids from the kindergarten?
Not really. Don't play with his mates. Don't play with anybody. Like he always have problem when to communicate with people. That's why she don't play with other kids.
Yeah, maybe she doesn't know how to.
Yeah, she doesn't know how, because maybe if other kids are talking to her, she don't know how to respond. She always stay on her own.
Okay, just a little bit of your impression about our staff, about the kitchen staff, the drivers, the doctors, a little bit what you want to say. Are you satisfied with their work? Do you think if our doctors are well educated enough to perform this kind of therapy?
Yeah, I think so. I think they are all the staffs, the doctors, they are also fantastic. They are so good, and everything, the hospitality, everything was fine. Yeah.
And the process of the stem cell treatment, was it exactly like you imagined in your head, or it was easy, it was more complicated? And how your daughter behaved during the...
Yeah, because I was surprised, because my daughter behaved very, very fine, and it flowed with it along. I was surprised. It's not the way I was thinking. That was not what I expected. I think everything was so smooth and fine. Everything was okay.